Speaker sir, the need to formally recommend to the government of India. CM sir, disturb. The need to formally recommend to the government of India, particularly the Department of Posts, the issuance of a special commemorative postage stamp in honor of Saint Joseph Vaz, the patron saint of Goa, whose life and service amplify deep faith, compassion and resilience. Born in Benaulim, Goa during the Portuguese colonial period, Saint Joseph Vaz went to become one of the most influential missionaries in South Asia, particularly in Sri Lanka, at a time when Catholicism was persecuted. His legacy has significantly contributed to Goa's spiritual, cultural and historical identity.
Yes.
Despite his canonization by Pope Francis in 2015 and the wide reverence he enjoys across Goa and South Asia, no official recognition has yet been granted. The issuance of such a stamp would serve not only as a tribute to a great missionary and a humanitarian, but also as a source of pride and identity for the people of Goa. I just need your assurance that you will put it up.
Noted, Speaker, sir.
Alex Reginald.